Hello friends, in this video tutorial I'll be dealing with the topic human circulatory system. I'll be taking many of the subtopics in this series and I'll be uploading subsequent videos for all those subtopics. So in this I'm just taking an introduction of circulatory system. So what is the meaning of circulatory system? Actually it is also called cardiovascular system and it is basically an organ system which which is bestowed with the function of transporting the minerals, nutrients, okay, in the body fluids, and it is basically uh, having the function of transferring the body fluids from one part of the body to the other. Okay, so circulation mainly consists of the movement of the body fluids. Okay, so body fluids are basically, we have in our body we have two types of body fluids. One is called blood. We know that blood is a fluid connective tissue, okay, and another one is lymph. When we are doing the discussion, this one is not important for us. We will study in brief about blood only. Okay, so these are the two body fluids. Why circulation is important? So let me answer this. So circulation, why it is important? We know that all our cells, okay, all our body organs and various parts of our body requires what? Energy, right? And energy they get from the food which is digested in our body, leads to the formation of various nutrients like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, right? So all these has to be assimilated in our body, okay, and our body will utilize them for cell division and various kinds of metabolic processes. Okay, so in those functions, all those nutrients will be used up. Okay, so that's why circulation of all these nutrients in the blood is important. Not only that, we know that blood is also a reservoir of nitrogenous wastes. If blood is not going to be circulated, kidney will not get the blood, and nitrogenous waste keep on accumulating in our blood, and all these will not be excreted out of our body, and we will be getting a lot of nitrogenous waste in our body. Okay, so that's why circulation of blood is important. Now, there are two types of what? Circulatory system. One is called the open circulatory system, another is called the closed circulatory system. What is the difference between two? Open circulatory system basically is the circulatory system in which blood vessels are not present. We know that in our human body there are three types of blood vessels. These are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, in open circulatory system, there are no what? There are no blood vessels. Okay, arteries, veins, and these capillaries are not present. So where blood flows? Blood flows directly into the body cavity or the coelom. Okay, so blood um, flow in coelom. In closed circulatory system, we have arteries, veins, and capillaries. Okay, these blood vessels are present in the closed circulatory system, and the blood flow in these blood vessels. Okay, so what is the difference between arteries, veins? See, capillaries are nothing but these are the minute blood vessels which are formed by the repeated bifurcations of the arteries itself. Okay, so we have to study difference between arteries and veins. Arteries are basically those blood vessels which are in 7th class onwards we uh, study about the differences between them. Like arteries are very thick walled, veins are thin walled. Veins consist of valves which will prevent the backflow of the blood. Arteries do not have valves. On the other hand, arteries are deep seated. Veins are what? Superficial. We can see them. Okay, so these are the differences between them. There are lots of differences, but since this is my first video on this my channel, so I'll not be going into much detail. Only okay. So I'll be making the detailed video in when I will make them in the future. Okay. So for now, let it be brief. Okay. So this is the circulatory system. Okay. When we talk about blood, okay, blood consists of plasma, then it consists of RBCs. RBCs are red blood corpuscles. These are also called erythrocytes. Erythrocytes, okay. Then we have WBCs. These are white blood corpuscles or white blood cells. These are also called leukocytes. Okay. Then we have platelets. Platelets. These are also called thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. Okay. Have you ever read the report of a dengue patient? Whenever you get a chance, you just go through the dengue patient's report. There is a thing which is written there. It is thrombocyto. Sorry. Penia. Thrombocytopenia. See, thrombocytopenia is a condition when there is a significant fall in the thrombocytes number. Okay. Thrombocytosis is the process when there is a increase in the thrombocytes number above the normal. Okay. So these are the conditions. Okay. So in my next video, I'll be discussing about heart. Okay. So this is my first video. I hope you like it. Please do like, share, subscribe at my channel, and I'll be uploading very nice and elaborate videos with diagrams in future. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe, share it, and like it, please.